Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to backup your iMessages using Windows. We first install Apple devices using the winget command. Open up PowerShell. I already have it installed, so it's gonna be instant. We will also install the Rust language, which comes with the cargo package manager, which we can use to install the iMessage-exporter. I will also install the extra packages needed for some copy methods. Now you need to close the PowerShell, open it up again, copy the cargo install iMessage-exporter, install the iMessage-exporter. Now we need to close it again. We open up Apple devices. Create a local backup, then go to manage backups and open the local backup in Explorer. Copy the path to the backup folder. Open up PowerShell. And we are ready to run the commands. iMessage-exporter. We need to specify a format. In this case, I will choose HTML. We also need to specify the copy method. I will choose full. We also need to pass the path to the backup folder, which we copied early on. If your backup is encrypted, you need to pass the password. My backup is encrypted, so I'm gonna give it the X flag. And you can also specify the output folder. In this case, it will be users lose it my iMessage export. You can also pass start date and end date to filter them. And you can also filter by contact name, phone number and email. I will filter it by 112 number and my phone carrier selfie. It created the backup. I will cd into the directory, explore that, and we can see the backup. We can open it and as we can see, it got backed up. Thank you for watching.